Sometimes in Windows OS, you may encounter the problem of SSD not showing up, thus not being able to access files on the SSD. In this video, we will share the fixes. Way 1. Initialize New SSD. Right-click on Windows icon and select Disk Management. Select the partition style and click OK. Way 2. Assign drive letter to SSD. In Disk Management, if your new SSD shows up in unallocated status, right-click it and select New Simple Volume. Wait for the SSD to be formatted and assign a drive letter. Alternatively, if you have assigned a disk letter to the SSD and it is still not displayed in Windows 11 or 10, you can change the disk letter to the new SSD to try to solve the problem. Way 3. Update SSD Drivers. Right-click on Windows icon and select Device Manager. Select your SSD from Disk Drivers list. Right-click on it and select Update Driver option. Select Search automatically for updated driver software, and Windows 11 will automatically find and install the latest driver for your SSD. Tip: how to move OS to new SSD in Windows 11 or 10. Go to isunshare.com. Download and install Clonigo on your PC. Then launch the software. Select the copy option. Select the Windows OS usually C drive as the source partition. Choose the new SSD as the target partition. Click Start. And click Yes to confirm. Keep the computer on during the copying process until the copying is successful. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods.